In fact, he was sending money on weekly basis, not weekly basis, monthly basis, or sometimes longer. It took longer, but he was taking care of the family of Hassan and Hussein in Medina. So for 20 years when Muawiyah ruled, and in fact, a lot of people don't know this, that Hassan and Hussein radiallahu anhuma, they were both fighting wars under the leadership of Muawiyah. If they did not believe in his leadership, if they did not accept him as a legitimate ruler of the Muslims, why would they fight under his leadership? If George Bush, let's say, if Netanyahu is appointed as your ruler, even by force, and he's asking the Muslims to fight for him, would you fight for him?
Which wars? Give us some.
Okay, so Hassan and Hussein, both of them, okay, Hussein in particular, he fought under the leadership of Muawiyah. Likewise, Ali bin Abi Talib radiallahu anh, when he was under the leadership of Umar, he accepted appointments from Umar. He even fought during that time, Ali bin Abi Talib. If Umar was an evil ruler, he would not fight for him. Ali would simply take. How can you fight for Islam when the ruler is Dajjal? The ruler is Netanyahu. Okay, so no, this I'm done with you guys. Please. Yeah. I'm answering his questions. You cannot don't interrupt me because I want people to learn our perspective. Okay. Look. Please don't do this. People are listening. People want to learn. You don't want to learn. It's clear. You'll remain jahil because you don't want to learn. But let people learn. Okay. Look, you see, I was having a perfectly normal conversation with the audience.
Why are you scared to debate people that know the history?
They are fitna.
Why do you run away? I know more Arabic than you. My Arabic is better than you 10 times. My history is better than you 10 times.
Okay.
And I'm trying to tell you that the Munafiqeen.
Okay. Let's move the cameras on this side. Let's move the cameras on this. So I'll continue explaining what I was explaining. So Muawiyah, why did he appoint Yazid as his successor? A lot of people asking this question, right? Firstly, what they don't understand is, and this is not a defense of Yazid's actions. Yazid's actions later on were clearly abhorrent, destructive, evil, right? We have no sympathy for Yazid, and we condemn his actions, and we leave his affair to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah deal with him as he deem fit. Okay. Now let the dogs bark. Dogs will bark, brother. Dogs will bark. Okay, you want us to move down? You're gonna keep. Okay, no problem.
If you die, I'll keep.
No problem. Ladies and gentlemen, no deen insists on you having no deen as well. The reason why no deen is doing this because he doesn't want you to have deen as well.
Yeah.
Go, man.
Because when I was doing the debate over there, they said to me,
Oh my God. Jahil.
الحمد لله. لا انا كفر ابوه.
كل افترضت على اجداد اني واجدادي على الاسلام. ما صار لكم 300 سنه ما صار لكم.
Why is he running away? Have you seen someone? If you're serious, you stand there and say, why he running away? Doesn't let no one chat. Abdullah! What's going on? Why are you arguing?
تعال
Who call him kafir? So why are you calling him?
The ulama is kafir. Silver though, yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, before we start, I want everyone to ask this gentleman to leave, because otherwise there are people who want to learn, and so long as he's standing there, you're not going to learn. So you can start this conversation again. So if you guys are ready, we can start again.
Yeah, shall we start, yeah?
Okay. I'll stand on this side, yeah? Okay. So, are they rolling or not? So, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, I was answering a very important question. The blame of this, you see, this is a place of education. The reason I come here is to educate people, not to have shouting matches and insulting exercises. So I will continue. There are some people who don't want you to learn. Clearly, the reason why they will interrupt, they will stop, they will heckle, is because they are scared of the truth. They don't want people to know. They don't want people to know. They don't want people to know. Okay. Yeah. Some people you cannot talk to. Yeah. So I will continue to answer the question. Right? Why did Muawiyah appoint Yazid? What could be the reason? What was he thinking? Right? Okay.
Easy. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Only the Shias are interrupting me. They don't want to know. They don't want anyone to know. And the reason this is again. We're not running. We're not running. We just don't like dogs barking at us. We just don't like it. We just don't like dogs barking at us. Okay, let's close the cameras. Don't worry about it. Okay, just walk away from this dog. Just walk away from this dog. Whose cameras are there?
The point is, this one is the worst one.
Just any dog who barks at the Sahaba, just walk away from him. Don't engage. Any dog who barks at the Sahaba.
Who's Sahaba?
Wait. Where are the camera guys? Come on, man.
Son of Hind. No, Khamenei, son of bastard. Khamenei, bastard.
Don't do that. We're not like them. We're not like them. We are not like them.
Talking about the Khamenei. Who said
Khamenei harmful?
Come on.